Science in Stories. Level 2. Are You the Woodpecker? Author Suhail Kwadar. Illustrator Kalyani Ganpati. Kili and Keelan were two parakeets who lived in a hole high up on a silk cotton tree. One day, a storm came and blew down their tree. Keely and Keelan cried birdie tears for their lost home. A passing crow heard the noise and asked why they were so sad. "Our tree is gone. We have no home," they sobbed. "You need a bird who can peck wood to make a tree hole. Why don't you ask the woodpecker to make you a new home?" said the crow. So Keely and Keelan set off to find the woodpecker. Tew, tew! Keely and Keelan heard a loud sound from the bushes below. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the tailor bird. I stitch leaves together to make my nest." "Pleased to meet you." Keely and Keelan heard a fluty whistle in the trees below. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the bulbul. I bring twigs to build a cup nest." "Shichui! Shichui!" Keely and Keelan heard a screeching sound. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the weaver bird. I weave grass together to make my hanging nest." "Tee to it?" Keely and Keelan looked down in the grass. "Are you the woodpecker and can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "No, I'm the lapwing. I make my nest on the ground." "We'll never have a home again," said Keely. "Don't give up hope," said Keelan. "Let's try a little longer." Tock, 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 tock. Keely and Keelan saw a bird hammering at a tree branch. "Are you the woodpecker? Can you make us a new tree hole?" they asked. "Yes, I am," said the woodpecker, "but I'm busy making my own nest. You'll have to ask someone else." The parakeets looked at each other in despair. Tuk, tuk, tuk. On a nearby tree was a round green bird. I can help you, she said. Who are you? Sobbed Keely and Keelan. I'm the barbet, said the bird. I make my nest in trees by pecking out a nice round hole. I can make a new tree hole for you. And so she did. Indian Sign Language narration by Saumitri Sindhu, English voiceover by Gayatri Kulwani. Courtesy Story Weaver by Pratham Books, content produced by Oniki.